channel. And in today's video, we're gonna do unbox a lot of these beautiful goodies from Louis Vuitton. It's a massive Louis Vuitton haul because it's my birthday. So I want you to be with me on my birthday and we will unbox these beautiful boxes together. And as a birthday present, I'm asking you to please hit that red subscribe button and of course, smash that notification bell so you're gonna be the first one to know every time I'm posting a new video. Let's gonna start from the smallest box first. And this one is from Zachary and Chantel. This is the present for me. And I love Louis Vuitton. And yeah, so let's open it together, guys. So I'm actually very excited for this birthday, but I supposed to have a birthday party, but then since it's lockdown, we cannot do the party. So maybe they just shower me with gifts. So let's open it together. And we have it's a small leather goods for sure. And oh, it's a cake clay. So actually guys, I already have a cake clay, but I really love a cake clay, which I have. This one is mine that I'm using every day. This is very useful, guys, very versatile. So I have the regular monogram, and they got me the Mir Ibin. It's very beautiful, and actually I don't mind to have all the collection. I actually want to collect all of them. So yeah, so this is my second cake clay, guys. So thank you so much, kids, for the present. So I think this is a combination of Mother's Day and a birthday present. And they also get me a pajama, which I opened already this morning. So thank you so much, guys, for this beautiful cake clay. So this one can be used if you don't know it yet, this is one can be used as your key holder, and also they can do also coin purse or yeah, anything. It's very versatile, guys. Highly recommend for everyone to get one of this. This is a key clay or key pouch, and in the Mir Ibin canvas monogram, and of course gold hardware, and it looks like that. It's a beautiful, it's very useful, guys. And actually I don't mind to collect all of them, all the colors. So I'm so glad that they get me this one. So the next that we're gonna unbox, guys, is this one. So this present is from me to me. So I bought this one last week, guys. So let's open it together. So ta-da! So it's the Louis Vuitton Croisette, guys, in the Mir Azur print, and of course vachetta leather, gold hardware, and this is the handbag look like, guys. You have a top handle here, and of course you have a detachable charm here, and this is the front, which is a press lock closure, and here in the back, this is the side, and that's the back, and of course, yeah, and then when you open it, it's a canvas pink inside. Beautiful, guys. And then with a pocket over there, and of course the strap here. And the reason why I didn't get this handbag, I really love this handbag and I really want to get this handbag for a long time, but the only hiccup of this handbag is the strap. I really don't like, because it's too long for me, very long actually. And I don't understand why Louis Vuitton doing these things, they think that people have the same height. So I think even they charge $100 more for this handbag. It doesn't matter as long as it's more versatile and adjustable. So in that case, guys, I really want to have a deep review with this Croisette pochette, guys, but I will do that next time, because otherwise this video gonna be very long. So but I already take out it one time, and then the only hiccup, I really want to do a review for this one, but I will do a different video for that one. So that is my Croisette, guys. So it's from me to me. This is it, guys. So when you open it, actually my SA from Phuket, this is from my Phuket SA, guys. Before I buy the handbag, I already bought this one. So I have different purpose for this thing, but my SA is so sweet. She give me a little note. So stay safe and stay healthy. Happy birthday from KK. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, and then of course she also include a lot of tester, a perfume tester, and then yeah. And this is what I got, guys. So since I complained earlier that the strap of the Croisette is too long, so I got myself a strap. So this one is vachetta leather, and oh, it's quite heavy actually, guys. It's quite heavy. I hate it. So this is the strap look like. Actually, guys, it's quite a unique one because this is like the clasp is like this. So you do like press this one and then clasp like that, and then like you have like very cute like Louis Vuitton over here. Yeah. And then you can turn like that, and then here you have like a closure, and then this is like, you know, adjustable. And very, very nice because it's very short. It's only 90 cm, and then I think the longest length is 100 cm. So it's just like, you know, this is the perfect height that I really wanted for a strap, guys. And what I love about this strap is like it's 1 inches here, so it's quite thick. So compared to the Croisette strap, guys, it's like only half. Look at that. Yeah, and then the height also, this is the longest length, and then the height of the Croisette strap is like really, really dramatically long, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's really, really long. So yeah, it's impractical. So I will show you like the difference of so yeah, it's quite small handbag, guys. In a guess of what I got. So I got this Lakme clutch, guys, in powder blue. Look at that. Powder blue. It's so the lights doesn't pick up with this handbag, guys, but later on I will take it out from the natural sunlight. So it's powder blue or sky blue, really, really beautiful blue. It has like a little shade of like grayish blue, and then like, you know, it has a silver hardware. I think the combination of baby blue and silver hardware is really, really perfect because I really don't like a baby blue with gold hardware. So this one is they make it really perfect. And for Louis Vuitton, this is their like spring summer collection color, so for 2021, and it's beautiful, guys. So it's just like very narrow clutch like this, and then you have here like a Louis Vuitton. Yeah, Louis Vuitton here, Taurus, and then just like that, and then in front you have this Lakme closure, and then here on the side just like that, and you have the ring here where you can attach the detachable strap, and in the back just like a plain one like that. So yeah, and then when you open it, it's like Lakme, right? So it's like, you know, with like LV Lakme logo there, and then here inside you have like the strap, detachable strap, and of course adjustable as well. And yeah, you have a card slot here. Actually, this is like a wallet on chain, and yeah, so that's why like you have a card slot, and then like, but it's big enough for a clutch, and then you have a microfiber lining in gray, beautiful gray. And then here in the front you also have a zip pocket here in the front, and then you have like the closure here like Louis Vuitton in silver as well, zip closure. It's beautiful, guys. So the measurement for this one is like, you know, 23.5 cm, and then 16 cm across, and then of course the thickness is like 5.5 cm. So that's, you know, I memorized it, guys, because like, you know, I've been really researching for this bag. And then the strap is like the same as the Neon Noe BB, like, you know, you have like the closure like this, and then you can do like this for a longer strap, and then here you have the chain on the side. So yeah, actually the difference is like, you know, the Neon Noe BB don't have this chain here on the side. So but but actually, like, you know, it makes the handbag looks more formal and more dress up. So yeah, actually, like, I don't have much of a clutch, guys, and I really wanted to have a clutch. And then I don't have also like a baby blue color in my collection. I only have like 3 blue in my collection, 4 and 1 denim, and this is the 5th one. And then I don't have this kind of shade, and the 2 blue that I have, baby blue, like light blue, that I have is different shade. And also the hardware is gold. So yeah, I really wanted to have like a white gold hardware, and it's so cute, guys. Look at this. If you want to know what can fit in this Lakme clutch, guys, so like you know, this is just a brief one. So like, you know, I will have an in-depth review of this one later on. So like, you know, I have here the biggest iPhone, guys. So I put here in the big compartment on the back. And then also I have my bigger wallet, the compact wallet. And of course I have my keyclay. Of course I have my alcohol and the tissue paper, wet tissue, which is like, you know, really, really spacious, guys. So I think we can fit all my necessities here. So after my birthday, so, and it's the twilly. It's Taurus, which I'm Taurus, guys. May is Taurus. And look at these details. It's like brown, orange, pink. It's beautiful. It's like it has a touch of blue as well. So it's perfect for my new handbags. And then on the other side, we have this LV print in you know, gray, pink, you know, and it has like a Toro. Yeah, beautiful. So I think it's so perfect for my other handbags. And I love it for my outfit as well. You know, you can put like this, you can tie up your hair, which is my favorite. So by the way, guys, this is the replacement of my other Louis Vuitton scarf that I lost when I was shopping. So like, you know, I'm really, really heartbroken when I lost that scarf. So this one is the replacement. It's a different printed one, guys, but I'm thinking, like, you know, to get a Taurus scarf. It's just so perfect. So let's move on to the last and final present that I got. So yeah, let's open it together. So this one is like, you pull this way. Let's open it together. So we have 2 dust bag, guys. So I think this is my craziest purchase for 2021. It's so fun. The one I'm talking, guys, is this one. So this one is like from the By the Pool collection slippers, guys. Yeah, I'm insane. I'm insane. So this is like, you know, the luxury version of Havaianas. So I think everybody know about Havaianas, guys. It's the slippers or flip flops, or like, you know, the one you wear in the house or in the beach or in the pool or something like that. But me, I'm crazy. I'm so extra. That's why I get this one. So this is the slippers, guys, from Louis Vuitton by the Pool collection of spring summer collection. And look at this, it's beautiful pink color, and then, like, you know, with yellow inside. And then here on the side you have like Louis Vuitton. It's made of like just a normal Havaiana slippers, guys, but it's better quality. It's more thicker and more oh, it's more solid. Actually, yesterday, I tried it on first because I said, like, you know, I think I feel so stupid why I buy this one. So, like, you know, I want to make sure. But, oh my God, guys, when I wear them, it fits like a glove. It's so beautiful in your feet, guys. I so love it. So even though like I found myself so crazy getting this one, I said I don't want to return it. I supposed to return it, but I don't want to return it because it's so beautiful and it's my birthday. I want to spoil myself. So I said like, you know, this is the only thing that I can justify the slippers because it's my birthday. So that's why I, like, you know, I think I'm entitled with this one. So but with this one, guys, look at this. So beautiful, right? And then the material, it's like, you know, like maybe like really like times 10 better than the Havaianas, guys, because like it's like this, and then like here it's rubber as well, but it's really well made, guys. And look at this. And like, you know, the fit in your feet is so perfect, guys. It's like fit like a glove, and like, you know, it has like a little heel, like maybe 1 inch height, but then you feel like it's you're just wearing a slippers actually, because like, you know, it's really nice quality. And actually this one is 36 size, guys, Louis Vuitton, and then 36, and then like, you know, made in Italy. Okay, by the way, if you ask me if this slippers worth it, no, I don't think so, but it makes me happy. So I think that is the one reason that this slippers is worth it. And the smell is still like Havaiana slippers, guys. It's still rubbery. Like, this smell is so weird. I'm so stupid when I buy this one, but I'm still like, it makes me happy. Like, you know, I'm so extra. Actually, guys, the price of this one, the equivalent of this one is one Louis Vuitton slippers, equivalent to like 17 pieces of Havaiana slippers. So which one you're gonna choose? Is like one Louis Vuitton slippers, which is like so extra, or like 17 Havaianas. So like, yeah, it's just up to you. It's your choice. So I'm just laughing at myself, guys, like how stupid I am and how crazy I am. So, so yeah, before people like, you know, like criticize me, like, you know, and complain about me, I just laugh over myself. So hope you enjoyed this birthday vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. And of course, like as a birthday present, I'm asking you again to please subscribe into my channel, and of course, like smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to know every time I'm posting a new video. Leave me a thumbs up, and of course, share this video to your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and have a luxury day, everyone. Bye.